Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm on my third attempt of trying to make this video. All my kids are still home from school and yeah, I'm just not getting a minute's peace, so hopefully I can get through it this time. But today I'm going to review the Hobo bee, the Harry Potter Flying Keys one. It arrived yesterday, I used it this morning. My bee set arrived this morning from Little Monkeys and I went out this morning just for an appointment with one of my kids. And I have to say I really like it. It feels a lot lighter to me to carry. It just didn't feel as heavy, although I was carrying pretty much the same stuff that I usually carry. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and show you how I have it packed up and see what you guys think. So it does have the bigger tech pocket on here. My 8 Plus phone does fit in here. So the Camp Tokyo one had the smaller pocket again. It didn't really bother me because I don't usually put my phone in here. I just have some flashcards for my daughter and I have the long strap off the large set piece, and it does have the newer clips on here. I was kind of hoping that they'd have gone back to the other ones, but I guess these are the ones that they're moving forward with. I guess they're okay, but yeah, I just prefer the other ones. So that's what I have in there. So I'm just going to put those back in there. And then you do have the little zipper pulls that are really cute. It says Harry Potter Jujubee and it has the little glasses and the scar. So there's that inside lining. I love it. I love navy blue is my favourite, so I love this. Although I'm not a huge Harry Potter fan. I have seen all the movies, but I wouldn't say I was a super fan. But it's just the colours. I love the colours on this. So you do have the key fob in here. I'm not sure if my keys probably would fit in here if I knew where they were right now. So I have a coin purse that has coins in it, and again, love it. And you can just tell when you feel it, the fabric just feels totally different. I have some lip balm down in that mesh pocket, and then I just have a Kate Spade wallet that I just changed into just to try and find something that was kind of match this, and that's all I had in there. I don't really need to put anything else in there. Like I say, I think my keys would fit in there, although I just threw them into my bag this morning. I've been loving the thinner strap on here. I find it far more comfortable to carry, especially if you're wearing it crossbody. And I do like this extra padding on the shoulder pad. It does have the back pocket. I don't have anything in there. What I usually do is put my glasses down one side and my phone down the other. You have your bottle pockets. Sometimes I put my phone in there. Not very often I put sippy cups or bottles in there, just because I feel it makes the bag look odd. But I do use this for hand sanitizer. And if I pick up receipts, sometimes I just shove them down there. So I do use those pockets. So going into the bag, there we are. And I love it because it's nice and light. You can see everything in there. So in this back zipper pocket here, I just have a little play pack in there. And then this back mesh pocket, a hand sanitizer. And I have the small set piece, and that just has charger stuff for my phone. This back mesh pocket, I just have some leftover snacks. We did have a couple more in there this morning. And then this mesh pocket right here, I put a small wipe pouch with some wipes in. And I think this one was the Pink Paradise. I can't quite remember, I've had it a while. The zipper pocket here, I don't have anything in there at the moment. I have an empty sippy cup that had water in there, and it kind of looked kind of cute in there, the nice pop of colour. And then I have my medium set piece, and this is just my med kit. You guys know this is my favourite for the med kit stuff. So that is just the usual jumbled mess in there. But yeah, definitely. I know I keep saying it, but there's just something different. I can't quite put my finger on it. But I'm not sure if it's the fabric is thinner or if there's just maybe not a coating on it. I don't know, but it's definitely different. Not necessarily in a bad way, because I do actually really like it. So I have the short strap on here, and I carry the long strap. just because sometimes if I want to go in somewhere, I would maybe dump the change clothes and stuff out of here, throw them into the bag and just put my like wallet and keys and phone in here and then use the long strap. Now this does have the one zipper pull. It's probably my only complaint because I do miss the double zippers. Because I said in my Camp Toki video, I like to close them and I like them both to be hanging in the middle. I mean, it's not a deal breaker, but I do, it just doesn't look quite finished to me with just the one. But anyway, hopefully they'll go back to the double. So I have a change clothes, wet bag, some sanitary stuff, toilet toppers in there, and that is about it. So that is what I have in the Hobo bee. And I was only going out with one kid this morning, so that's why it's not overly packed. Didn't have to take a whole bunch of extra snacks, but there it is. And yeah, I really like it. I can see me using this one quite often, just for the fact as well that it's navy blue, and navy blue is my favourite colour. I don't even think I would change the strap on this, because you guys know I like to put seatbelt straps on, but I don't think I would with this one because it is just so nice. So anyway, if you have any questions, comment below, and thanks for watching.